Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 2 from paper 2. Let us see what this question is. Consider a triangle PQR having sides of length P, Q and R opposite to angles PQ and R respectively. Then which of the following options are true? Cos P greater than or equal to 1 minus P square upon 2QR. Cos R greater than or equal to Q minus R upon P plus Q into cos P plus P minus R upon P plus Q into cos Q. C. Q plus R upon P less than 2 times root over sin Q into sin R upon sin P. D. P less than Q and P less than R, then cos Q is greater than P upon R and cos R is greater than P upon Q. Now this question is a very wonderful question based on cosine rule and projection formula. Let us see. So for this option A, I can write cos P as Q square plus R square minus P square upon 2QR. Okay. Now if we split the terms, we can write this as 1 upon 2 into Q upon R plus R upon Q bracket minus P square upon 2QR. Now these two terms are reciprocal of each other and they are positive terms, hence it has to be greater than or equal to 2. So multiplied with 1 upon 2 also, I think we can directly write that it will be greater than or equal to 1 minus P square upon 2QR. So answer for this is definitely A. Now for the B option, we can cross multiply by P plus Q on both sides. So we will get P plus Q into cos R greater than or equal to Q minus R into cos P plus P minus R into cos Q. Okay. Now we can rearrange the terms like P cos R on the left hand side and then I am bringing R cos P from the right hand side. So it will be plus R cos P. Similar to this, I am creating one more term Q cos R, okay, plus R cos Q. So far I have utilized all terms on the left hand side and this term and this R cos Q from the right hand side, and this will be greater than or equal to Q cos P plus P cos Q. So using the projection formula, this first expression here is nothing but the length Q. Similarly, the second expression is nothing but the length P, and on the right hand side it is greater than or equal to Q cos P plus P cos Q, means we can write this as R. So by triangle inequality, two sides are definitely greater than the other side, so this will be true. Don't get confused, there is an equality sign. Even if left hand side is greater than the right hand side, we can write greater than or equal to. Either greater than should be true or equal to should be true. So this option is definitely correct. Okay. Now coming to C option. The C option says Q plus R upon P. Q plus R upon P, and if I use sine rule, we can write sine Q sine Q plus sine R upon sine P, and by use of AMGM once again we can write sine Q plus sine R as greater than or equal to 2 root sine Q into sine R, because sine is always positive inside a triangle because all angle has to be less than 180 upon sine P. So here you can see Q plus R upon P is less than, whereas we are getting greater than. So this option is not correct. Okay. Now coming to D part. D part says P less than Q and P less than R, then cos Q greater than P upon R, cos R is greater than P upon Q. Now here, if we write these two terms, once again, I can write this as R cos Q greater than P. R cos Q greater than P. Let us again check. R cos Q greater than P, and similarly Q cos R can be written greater than P. Okay. Now if we add both sides, you can check this is again becoming projection formula only. So this gives us P, whereas on the right hand side it will be 2P. So which is not possible for any triangle, whether that relation P less than Q or P less than R is given or not given. So this is again false. So only correct options are A and B for this question. So this completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more questions. Bye.